Hello! Our target goals for today, guess what? We're going to continue learning about cumbia music. So, I can learn about cumbia, a style of music from Colombia that inspired the music of Encanto. I can learn a short melodic part on guitar or glockenspiels. Today, I'm going to say just glockenspiels to make things simpler. I can review 2 rhythmic patterns for drums. So, in the last class, we learned El Pescador, bum 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 bum. El Pescador, bum 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 bum. El Pescador. All right, so today we're going to put it together with drums and glockenspiels. So let's review the rhythmic parts. Just using our laps for the pat. Do you remember the tambora part sounded like this? First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. When we get to like this, we're going to clap. The other parts we're going to pat. 1, 2, ready, go. First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. First, play the shell and then play the skin like this. And stop. Also, there was a llamador that had that stress on beats 2 and 4, which we find that has come from African music's influence on cumbia music. So, Gregorio taught us we could do cumbia, cumbia, or you can think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow me. Can you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. You're going to get to do that today, but you're also going to get to play F, 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 C, B flat, F, on a glockenspiel. So, we know it's an F because it's on the first space of the music staff. F, A, C, E, face on a space, F. We know this note is a C because it's on the third space of the music staff, F, A, C. Now this note is on the third line, every good boy, but we know it's a B flat because the key signature tells us that it is. So I want you to just sing the pitches with me. F when it's an F, C when it's a C, B flat when it's a B flat, then F. All right? 1, 2, sing the pitches with me. F, 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 F. F, 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 F. F, 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 F. C, B flat, F. And we are only playing the call. We are not playing the response. And I apologize. I don't think you can see my tools here. I don't think you can see my cursor as I pointed. Let's do that again. Maybe the substitute can point along because I don't think my cursor is showing up in the video. Let's try it again. 1, 2, sing the pitches with me. F, 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 F. F, 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 F. Third time. F, 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 F. C, B flat, F. Now, I'm going to grab a glockenspiel and show you what notes you're actually playing. Okay, so our glockenspiels, I'm going to make this big so you can see. Our glockenspiels look like this. Ignore if yours says do, re, mi, or anything like that. That doesn't fit this song. We have F. You're going to play the F in the middle. When we get to the third time we do it, C. You're going to play the C. Now, nothing on the glockenspiel says B flat. If I want a note to be in between my natural notes, so let's say I have an F and a G. The note in between F and G is called a F sharp because it's a half step higher than F. But guess what? It's also a half step lower than G. So it's also called a G flat. So if I want a B flat, which do you think I'm going to play? I don't want to play a B. I want to play a B flat, something a half step lower. Think about it. Raise your hand. The substitute can pause the video and see if anybody's got the right answer. All right, here's the answer. When I sing B flat, I really also mean A sharp. B flat is the same exact pitch as A sharp. So when we sing F, 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 C, B flat, F, you're going to play B flat right here. Now also, before we get our glockenspiels, when you have to hold that C and B flat, if you want to, you can make up a rhythm while holding it. Watch how I make up a rhythm. And I don't just play one C and one B flat. Check it out. The Fs, I play exactly the way we've been singing, but I'm going to improvise a little with C and B flat, right? Ready? Here we go. F, 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 F. Oh, let me pause my video. Hold on. All right, here we go. Ready? F, 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 F. F, 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 F. F, 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 F. C, B flat, F. So, the substitute is going to help you get a glockenspiel. And once you get it, we're going to practice playing that part.